I'm coming to you today from Corktown in Toronto, Canada. Today, I want to talk about one of the great lies I think they told us in film school, the myth of a minute a page. You may have heard it said that traditional screenplay format converts to an average of a minute a page on screen. Now, if that were true all the time, or even a high enough percentage of the time that you could literally bank on it, then in the 30 years that I've been script supervising film and television, why is it that I have been paid approximately $250,000 just for pre-timings, the part of my job where I answer the burning question, how long is this script? And as a veteran script supervisor, I have been pre-timing screenplays, a skill I became especially known for over half my life. And I'm here to break it to you. More often than not, scripts do not time out at 1 minute a page. Several factors can influence the outcome of a script timing. Factors that are both on the page and off, and script supervisors know how to factor in these factors well. If page count alone were the sole determining factor of length, you could have given me several months of my life back or bought yourself another yacht. Why do bond companies, networks, studios, and independent producers commission people like me for script timings at the development stage? And why do producers include a script timing line item in the budget for the drafts that come out as we get closer to production? Simply put, because time is money. If a script runs too short, you'll probably have to spend some money down the road getting the band back together to shoot more scenes, which costs so much more than fixing it in prep. And you also, of course, aren't leaving yourself any room to edit out scenes and moments that don't quite work. So script length also has an impact on the creative. Now, if a script runs too long, you are literally throwing money away if an excessive amount of what you have gone to great lengths and great expense to shoot ends up on the cutting room floor. The cutting room floor, that's an old-timey expression from when we used to cut film on Steenbecks with these things called splicers, like I did. But I'm from the 60s. And if it's network television you're making with a specific airtime you need to hit, when a script is too long, you also risk having to lose story. And which of your darlings do you kill if the entire show is gold and your plots are all serialized? Now that is, of course, unless you love to shoot a lot of extra screen time to allow for creative experimentation in post. I mean, we do that all the time in comedy, especially where improv is involved. But guess what? That still costs more money, and we do still pre-time those shoots as well. And you would think that streaming services have pretty much eliminated the need to hit a specific time frame in the edit, but we still also do pre-timings for our streaming shows as a guide and a rudder for production, as timing is tied to budget. I'm not a producer, so how do I know this? Gather around the campfire. I was surprised to get asked to include the production accountant in my pre-timing distro early on in my career. When I asked her why on earth she needed it, she schooled me on how screen time is a much more accurate barometer of daily progress for the spend report than page count. Because 1/8 of a page could mean anything. It could mean one VFX plate shot, or it could mean the house implodes in Amityville Horror, or it could mean they drive across Canada in Going Down the Road. Ben-Hur goes to the chariot races. Look at me with my old-timey references. But if we are providing actual timings of what we shot on set every day in our daily progress report, why does accounting still need that pre-timing so that they know the percentage of the overall timing we hit that day? It's a measurement tool, a measurement of how time equals money. But screen time, not production time, that is also money. So much money. So if it's not a minute a page, how do script supervisors do it? How do we have the magic answer to the burning question, how long is this script? Come find out at my new masterclass, Script Timing Secrets. It's for producers, screenwriters, script supervisors, and anyone else who wants to learn my exact process for breaking down and pre-timing film and TV scripts. And as always, some examples and war stories to go with it. Click the link below to find out more.